Go!
Yan, ganyan na yung rate. Sabay. Harap. Okay, nice one. Ganyan lang, ganyan lang. Tingin sa harap. Sabay-sabay. Dito nakaharap ang blade ha. Dito nakaharap. Arvin, baon. Nice rate. Ganyan lang.
Side carb, second half.
Ready for 20 power low.
Ready!
Now. 1, 2. Ganyan lang yung rate. 4, 5.
Next straight, power pa, tara!
7, 8, 9, 1, 0.
Power pa, tara!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for low.
Ready!
Now.
Hinga-hinga.
Tayo sa kaninang rate. Relax. Recover. Kuha hangin. Check your neck form. Straight arms. Reach forward. Dayain ang harap. Haba lang. Haba. Nice one. Keep it up. Ganyan lang. Straight arms. Ito na ulit. Ready for 20 power low.
Ready!
Now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for low.
Ready!
Now, habol tayo, sabay, sabay, kuha ng hangin. Matatapos din yan, onting tiis lang. Yes. Reach forward, galaw katawan, diretso ang mga elbows. Clean entry, Arvin, clean entry. Reach forward, onti na lang. Gamit ang legs, panjak. Ready for last. 20 power low.
Ready!
Now. 1,
Power yan, tara!
3, 4, 5. Dikit sa upuan. 8, 9. Last 10.